Welcome to another episode of Fitous
Thai Kitchen.
So today we're joined by the lovely Pitu and we're going to review 3 different microwavable
Pad Thai.
and we're going to see how good they are or how bad they are.
Yeah.
So join us in just a moment after this. You want to do this one together? Click
No,
the
I
finger.
don't.
Yeah, I don't mind.
First one, we got Pad Thai from Waitrose. Let's see after we warm. And then second one.
This one I got from Sainsbury's, but it's a different company. Freshly made from scratch.
Yeah, second one.
Sainsbury's don't do a pad thai.
Yeah, from this company. Don't know what you call this one.
Freshly made from scratch.
No, I cannot speak English.
What do you mean you cannot speak English?
And then the third one from Mark and Spencer. Yeah, look at the package. It look nice. Okay, and after this, I'm going to warm all 3 of this. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, and then after we try, and then we give
I
the
mean,
score.
out of 5, what are we gonna base it on?
2.
What do you mean 2?
I don't know. You asked me out of
No,
5.
like taste,
Taste, color.
color as well. No, just do what? Taste, appearance.
And what else?
Like น่ากินเลยใช่ไหม And what else? The ingredients. So taste,
Appearance.
the ingredients, and we just leave it at that.
Yeah, and the color also. Yeah, the color. You know, some look very pale, some look.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I go to warm this one.
Okay. Okay. So we're starting off with the M&S
Yeah,
Marks and Spencer chicken pad thai. What do you think of this? And this is £4 for this. You want to go first?
Yeah. Okay, let me try first. Use different one.
I don't have lurgies.
Okay.
What is that? Is that egg?
Egg.
It's like scrambled. And look at why the chicken is like grey. It's no flavour.
No sour.
Sour, I got nothing. I mean, the noodles are alright, they're not hard. I mean, it's not really pad thai, is it really? I mean, what you got to say about this? I mean, it's the first one, so, but
Only for the people who has no choice.
only for the people who have no choice.
Like cannot go out.
That's pretty bad.
Yeah.
That's all right. So okay, so for flavor, how many points you give? You give it 2, yeah? I'll give 1. What do you think is not clear, no? If I give only 1 to M&S? Okay, well I don't know what the other ones. Okay, either 1 or 2 for me.
Yeah, for me too.
And for the look,
ก็ให้3ไปนะเพื่อไม่ให้เราเปลี่ยน
oh, you're very lovely today. You
Yeah.
give good marks. Okay, for the look of it, I give it 2. You give it 3. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look.
No, some less not also the look like that.
Yeah, but I mean, it's, you know. So it's £4.
Yeah,
so,
because just compared to the price, £4.
yeah.
Yeah.
So that's not too bad. And okay, how about the ingredients? They put carrot. I'm always like wary when any time you've got a dish where you put carrot in.
Yeah, because this
It's a
one
filler.
not a fresh pad thai. That's why only like this they
Yeah.
have to put.
Yeah,
Yeah, then I just give 2.
2 for the
Yeah.
ingredients. All right. So that's what 4. So it's 4. 13 points. Let's try the next one.
ใส่อะไรก็ไม่รู้อ่ะ
This one they put galangal.
No such thing กะลังกาผัดไทยไหนว่ากะลังกาไป Oh my god anchovy
Is it green? Okay, so this is Waitrose one.
This year from Waitrose one. Okay, let me try first.
This has got ginger. The last one had, the M&S one had ginger as well.
Yeah. This one with kalanga. No kalanga in pad thai. No ginger in pad thai. We never put in Thailand.
Toasted sesame seed. They put lemongrass as well.
Oh my god. Try, you try. Your turn. Oh my god. ลองไปเอาที่ไมโครเวฟมาป่ะ
เอาอะไร
อยู่ไมโครเวฟอีกอันหนึ่งแล้วก็ถุงไอ้สมตัดแล้วเอากันไกลมาด้วย
This one £4 as well.
Yeah, £4.
Yeah, that's really bad. I mean, it's got more flavour though than the first one.
No, to me this one no flavor.
I got more flavour in this one than the first one,
I don't know.
but not had Thai flavour. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Although the chicken cuts are better than the first one, but it just does not taste like pad thai at all. It tastes like the lemongrass, kalanga.
I don't know. I don't know what it tastes like.
But yeah, that's pretty bad. So let's do. Let's start off with the tasting.
Oh, okay. I take the wrong one. It's all one.
Yeah. For me, it's got more flavour than the M&S one, but it's not pad thai flavour.
Yeah, for me no taste at all.
And the look,
And the look I give 2.
I mean, yeah. I mean, it looks appetizing, but it doesn't look like a pad thai. It's kind of greeny yellow. So I mean, it looks appetizing, like I said, but yeah, not a pad thai. And the ingredients.
Ingredient, I give 1.
I give 2, just because the chicken is a better cut of the chicken than the M&S one. But you know, you've got ginger in there, you've got galanga, you've got lemongrass, you've got ingredients they shouldn't have in a pad thai. So so that one score is 2, 4,
6.
Go on in, mix that in.
Wet the spoon.
นี่ไง
I moved a big piece of chicken.
I don't know why they've got just a big piece of chicken.
Oh, they mixed the peanut. Yeah, peanut in here.
Okay.
Oh, they put bamboo.
Bamboo?
Yeah, here. Pea.
Oh my god.
What's it? This one? I don't know. Here, broccoli. When we taste, you have to taste it again.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna try this again because the camera stopped recording.
I think the camera smell this one. That's why.
We really don't want to try this one again.
Strong vinegar.
Yeah, a lot. Yeah, that's really, really bad. You look at the chicken, it's just a big wedge of chicken. This looks like it's plastic. I don't even want to eat that. It's just slimy and it doesn't look appetizing at all.
Yeah, because £3.50. What do you expect?
And the smell, it's really
Strong vinegar.
it's really, really bad. So taste. I don't know how you give it 1. You're not hiding your face this time, though. So there's 1 point for taste. And for appearance, it looks terrible. It just looks horrible. And for ingredients, I just give 2 because, you know.
But I know the other ingredient is not so for pad thai.
Yeah, it's not really pad thai. The noodles are in tiny little pieces.
The broken noodle.
Yeah, and it's got bamboo shoots, it's got ginger. Yeah, it's just got ingredients that you shouldn't have in a pad thai. So yeah, it's a poor show from this company, and it costs £3.50. So
High in protein.
yeah, because it's got a big wedge of chicken. So yeah, that was really bad. It's only what, 7 points? 5. 5 points. So yeah.
So and the best is for Mark and Spencer.
Yeah.
From our score.
Yeah. The dish with the highest score is the Marks and Spencer's pad thai. But if I'm being honest, I actually preferred, if I was to get a takeaway meal, I'd get the Waitrose one. Even though it doesn't taste like pad thai, but just feel that it's a better dish.
If for me, none at all. I'm not going to have it.
Shocker. Yeah, no. Look elsewhere for your dish. So we're gonna go and clean our mouths out and eat something nice, and so that's it from us for this week, and we'll see you guys
Next time.
and soon.
Yeah.
And don't forget to
Subscribe
like,
and hit the bell.
hit the bell. You forgot the
Hit the bell.
and hit the bell. Yeah, she's very shy and retiring. All right then, guys. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.